Category 5e patch cable. Perfect for use in 10100 space T networks. Blue cable jacket. 2 feet long. This Belkin RJ45 Category 5e patch cable is perfect for use with 10100 space T networks. It exceeds the performance requirement of Category -5e, and features 50-micron gold-plated connectors to ensure clean and clear transmission. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing value. I needed a very short Ethernet cable to hook up my streaming box to my modem. This cable was the perfect size and obviously you cannot beat the price. I am amazed I got such a trusted brand for the price I did, and it works great.